Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon for the all audience in this class. For this time, we will try to solve some problem related with the binomial distribution and geometry distribution. Okay, let's open the problem. Okay, we will use the books Probability and Statistics for Engineer and Scientists, and we try to choose a sum the problem. For example, we will try to solve the problem for the 5.4. Okay, the 5.4, in a certain city district, the need for money to buy drugs is stated as the reason for 75% of all thieves. Find the probability that among the next 5 thief cases reported in this district, A is equally 2 resulted from the need for money to buy drugs, B at the most 3 resulted from the need for money to buy drugs. Okay, this is a case. This is very suitable with the binomial distribution. Okay, for the problem A, we must understand it. P is equal to 0.75. And of course, Q is equal to 0.25. And N, according to this problem, N equal to 5. So for the A, we can solve the problem. The combination 5, 2 multiplied by 0.75, because this P power 2, and multiplied by 0.25 power 3. Okay. Okay, you can find this result by yourself. I think the best for you are use the machine, not music. Use the machine like the laptop or the others. Okay. For the B at most 3. At most 3. For the 3, we can use the formula probability Y equal to 0 plus probability Y equal to 1, okay, plus probability Y equal to 2, and plus probability Y equal to 3. For each probability, you can use the binomial formula. For example, for the probability Y equal to 0, Y equal to 0, you can use the formula combination 5, 0 multiplied by 0.75, because this is P power 0, and multiplied by 0.25 power 5. Okay, you must find this problem. Py equal 2 and Py equal 1, Py equal 1, Py equal 2, and Py equal 3. For example, for 3, combination 5, 3, 0.75, the power 3, multiple the 0.25 power 2. Okay, after you get this result from the all probability, you just take the summation for the all probability. Yeah, that's very easy. Okay, we try to solve the problem 5.5. According to the chemical engineering progress in November 1990, approximately 30% of the all pipe works failure in the chemical plants are caused by operator error. Okay, from this question, we must understand this is the case of the binomial. For the A, what is the probability the next failure at least 10? Okay, for this case, we will try solve by using the binomial table. Okay, for the binomial table, for the A, we can solve by the theoretical 1 minus probability. You can find the P 0.30 and you try this, find this 9. Okay, you can find. Okay, you can find this one. 9 is this 0.9520. So the A you can solve by 1 minus 0. Okay, 9520 or 0.04x0. Okay, this is same with the key. Okay, this is the key. Okay, this for A. Okay, remember that I don't want to use the formula for the binomial distribution. I will try use the binomial table. Okay, at least 10. At least 10 is mean you must use the theory 1 minus for the probability P 0.30. You check until the R equal to 9. Okay, so you take the minus 1 minus. Okay, you take the 1 and minus 0.9520. So for B, suppose the protocol friend that out of the random sample exactly 5. Oh no, this B is okay. V. What is the probability that no more than 4? Tidak, 4 no more than out of the 20. No more than 4. No more than 4, it means you can find 0 until 3. Okay. Or no more than 4. No more than 4. Okay. No more than 4, it means you can find P, this one, and until the 4. R for the 4 and N equal to 20. So you can check here. Okay, this one. So the answer is 0.2375. Okay, it's suitable with our key. Okay. C. Suppose a particular friend that out of random sample of 20 set failures exactly 5. For the find exactly 5, you must find the 6. Okay. Okay, 5 or 5 for the 5. And you try to minus by 4. Okay. Okay, this one. So for the C, you can use 0.04. 6 1. Okay. For the exactly 5, you can find using the binomial table. You can check this is 5. Okay, before that I want to make clean. I try to make clean. Okay. Exactly 5 is mean you can check in the table binomial for n equal to 20. P for the 0.30. You check for the 5, this one. And minus by, you check this by 4. Okay. So it's meant for the C, 0.4164 minus 0.2375 or equal to 0 minus 0.17 x9. Okay, this is suitable with this our key. So if you want to give the comment is reasonable. Okay, reasonable. Is it answer for the 5.5? Okay. For the next question, we try to solve the 5.55. The probability that student pilot passes the written test for the private pilot's license is 0.7. Find the probability that given student will pass the test on the third try and the B before the fourth try. So it means you are must using the geometry. The geometry. Okay? Geometry. This is geometry case. So A, for the question A, you can solve. Before we solve the problem, you must understand P equal to 0.7, Q equal to 0.3. So Y for this the question A, Y is equal to 3. So A, you must try solve by a formula Q power 1 minus 1 multiplied by P or equal to by 0.3 power 2, okay, multiplied by 0.7. Okay, you can find this result by machine, okay, by laptop or the another machine. I don't care about that. Okay, but for the B, before the force is mean you must find probability Y equal to 1. You must remember geometry starting 1, geometry not starting 0, plus probability Y equal to 2 before 4 plus probability Y equal to 3. So you can check by the theory. This one, use the formula geometry Q 0.3. Okay, power 0 multiplied by 0.7. Okay. Plus 0.3 power 2 or power 1, sorry, Y minus 2, 1, okay, multiplied by 0.7. And for next, 0.3 power 2, you multiply by 0.7. Okay. After you get the result, you take the summation and then using machine to solve this problem. Okay. For the point 3.73, there is no the probability P or Q in this question, but we must understand how to try to find what is the P and the Q. Okay. In this question, we have the 10 company. Okay, 10 company. 9 from the 10 has found, okay, a certificate public account CPA has found at the 9 of 10 company. Okay, of course, from this question, we know that we must solve using the geometry. Using the geometry with the P equal to 9 divide 10 and Q 1 per 10. Okay, because we know from this from the question there are 9 of 10 company has found a certificate public accountant. Of course, one doesn't have the certificate public accountant. So if we try to solve the A question, is the third one. So it's mean 1 divide 10 power 2 multiple by 9 per 10. Okay. And B will occur after the said audited account. For B, we can use the formula 1 probability Y minus Y probability Y minus 1 and minus probability Y minus 2. Okay. Occur on after shift. Occur on or after shift. Jadi, so it's mean for B question, you must find the probability Y starting 3 until 10. But it's difficult to solve because a lot of the formula must be used. You can imagine that you must find the probability Y equal to 3, probability Y equal to 4, until probability Y equal to 10. We can make the simple from the B question using the formula 1 minus probability Y equal 1 minus probability Y equal 2. Okay. This is you can solve by the formula 1 minus Q 1 divide 10 power 0 multiple by 9 per 10 minus 1 per 10 power 1 multiple by 9 per 10. Okay, you can use this formula. Or like I said before, for the B, you can use the formula probability Y equal to 3 plus probability Y equal to 4 until probability Y equal to 10. So I think we can make this problem when we are use only 1 minus probability Y equal to 1 and minus probability Y equal to 2. Okay, I think that's nice discussion for this afternoon. From the four question that have we solved in this afternoon, we learn we must have the confidence to using the machine to solve the sum formula. Okay. And then we must try to find a simple one to the solve problem for the sum question. For example, when we try to solve the last question, we can use the formula probability y equal to 3 plus probability y equal to 4 until probability y equal to 10. We can make it simple by only using 1 minus probability y equal to 1 and minus probability y equal to. Okay, I think this is nice discussion for the afternoon. See you again, Radu Yendra and the Radu Institute.